Welcome to Hull for the IChemE Global Awards 2019.
The winner of the IChemE Innovative Product Award, sponsored by Doosan, is Micropore Technologies.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the IChemE Pharma Award, sponsored by PM Group, is Micropore Technologies.
Winning 2 IChemE awards tonight is fantastic, beyond our wildest expectations, and it's just unbelievable. It's a statement of endorsement by the community that we respect the most.
So this is a way of doing droplet generation for monodispersed drops. So things like drugs, where you're looking to be able to inject very complex molecules into the body and have them released at a very controlled rate, then monodispersed particles are very important for that. And we can make those in very large quantities using the AXF-7, which is a unit that we've developed to scale up from our AXF-1. And so these drugs can now be delivered into patients through standard-sized needles rather than traditional ways of forming the particles would tend to give a very large size distribution, which gives very large particles that you then need sort of a horse needle to get it into the body.
So this is all about reducing the amount of waste for a lot of pharma companies. So they would typically be throwing away potentially over 30% of their products. We can help minimize that amount of waste so they're hardly wasting any materials at all. So that can help bring costs down for patients, as well as Bruce said earlier, giving a better patient experience by having more accurate controlled release characteristics, being able to use a smaller bore needle, less patient discomfort. So there's a wide array of improvements that we can actually help to deliver to patients through pharma companies working with our product.
The impact in terms of cost is significant. The other thing, if you can administer the drugs through a narrow needle, then there's the potential to actually do that by the patient themselves, perhaps, rather than having to be within a physician's care to use a very large bore needle. And the fact that it's microencapsulated in a controlled release formulation means that injection might only be needed much less frequently.
There's people out there every day helping solve all of the issues that the industry is encountering. They are the problem solvers of the world, essentially. They're out there solving things, making real differences to everybody's lives.